On Wednesday, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar said that India cannot have a SAARC or South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation meeting as long as one member state continues to engage in acts of terrorism. He was taking a swipe at Pakistan. He added, saying that India will not tolerate a situation where terrorism happens by night and trade happens by day. Talking about having good relations with other neighboring countries but not with Pakistan, Jaishankar said that they can't have a normal relationship because of cross-border terrorism. On ties with the US, Jaishankar described PM Modi's recent visit to Washington as most productive prime ministerial visit considering the solid outcome from the trip and that the relations between the two countries have become exceptionally well. The Indian Railways said that more than 2.74 lakh posts in the railways are lying vacant as of this month. Over 1.7 lakh of them are in the safety category itself. The railway statement came after a Madhya Pradesh-based Right to Information or RTI Act activist Chandrasekhar Gaur filed some questions pertaining to the railways. On the safety category, the railways said that there are more than 9.82 lakh posts, of which 8.04 lakh are filled. Railway spokesperson Amitabh Sharma said that the issue is being addressed through direct recruitment, expeditious promotions, and moving non-core staff to core jobs after training. The launch of Chandrayaan 3 has been scheduled for July 13th at 2:30 pm. This is a follow-on mission to Chandrayaan 2. Officials said that the purpose of the mission is to demonstrate end-to-end capability in safe landing and roving on the lunar surface. Reports said that the mission will have a lander and rover configuration. Chandrayaan 3 will be launched from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. The Chandrayaan 3 mission will launch on the Geosynchronous Launch Vehicle Mark 3, which is India's heaviest rocket to the moon. ISRO Chief S. Somnath said that currently the Chandrayaan 3 spacecraft is fully integrated. On Wednesday, the Gujarat government signed an MOU with the US-based computer storage chip maker Micron for setting up $2.75 billion semiconductor assembly and test facility at Sanand in Ahmedabad district. The Memorandum of Understanding was signed by Micron Senior Vice President Guru Sharan Singh and the Gujarat Government Secretary Science and Technology Vijay Nehra in the presence of Chief Minister Bhupendra Patil and Union Electronics and Information Technology Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw.